Hi, Mike Bishop here. It's an exciting year to be a Michigan Republican, and what a great honor it's been to serve as your Senate Republican Majority Leader at this pivotal time in our state's history. Our caucus continues to fight for conservative principles like limited government, personal responsibility, and your rights under the Constitution. We're committed to fighting the never-ending liberal agenda of our governor in the State House of Representatives. And over the years, I've been privileged to get to know and personally work with many of our GOP grassroots activists. In fact, it was the grassroots that secured the Senate Republican majority just 2.5 years ago. In the end, all of us learned that every vote truly does count, as we're able to retain the majority by less than 1,300 votes statewide. And one can only imagine what the state would look like today if we lost that last remaining Republican stronghold. Hard work and dedication are essential to every job and every important cause. With our state and our country at a crossroads, now more than ever, we have a responsibility to lead and lead with conviction. I didn't run for public office to sit back and feather my nest for the next public job. I ran to make a difference, and that's exactly what I will continue to do. So today I ask for your support in my bid to become your next Attorney General. Now, a lot goes into the decision to run for public office. In this case, I made my decision because I honestly believe I'm the best candidate for the job. I spent more of my professional career in the private sector than as a public servant. And over the years, I've established myself as a tough advocate and an ethical professional. In my private law practice, I fought for my clients in court to protect their businesses and to protect their families. And since being elected to public office, my top priority continues to be the protection of the people and the pursuit of justice. As a legislator, I've fought hard against identity theft. I've stood up for my pro-life beliefs, and I've introduced legislation to create a part-time legislature. I'm proud to have stood firm and insist that my party stay true to its core principles, and I look forward to doing it again. Please visit my website at mikebishop.com for more information and sign up for our email updates. It's been a true honor to serve, and I look forward to working with all of you in the future. Have a great day.